I tried, and I tried composing on a typewriter. And typewriters are not user-friendly devices. You can, make the same mistake or a different mistake 3 or 4 times in a row and need to start typing the same page over and over and over again. So what I did was when I come to a spot where I didn't know exactly what I wanted to say, I would write it out in longhand and fiddle with it and then transcribe it. And after a while, I thought, this is trying to tell me something, you know? And so I started doing the first draft in longhand, and I have been doing that for just about 50 years now because I think I forget whether I started doing that first on the first novel that sold or on my
Mhm.
dissertation